hi. How's it going?
It's going good.
Welcome to my... No, I don't think you can... I don't think there should be a voice in it. I'm fine. Big fucking voice. Doesn't matter. I'm not filming this, okay? I'm just here in my office. Chilling. So I want to talk to you about this upcoming FITC event. FITC Toronto 2019. Very excited to be attending. I think this will probably be my 15th year at FITC, something like that, something crazy. Grant Skinner's got me for the title. I think he's up in the, maybe in the almost 20. So I'm slowly closing in on Mr. Skinner, but he's hard to beat. He's hard to beat. He milks it. He's local. He's local. All right, so what are the questions?
We're looking, tell us a bit about what you're presenting on.
Oh gosh, my presentation is going to be about kind of some inspirations, how psychedelics have kind of influenced my aesthetics since 2008. Started using some heavy influences, and it really guided me in finding an aesthetic I believe in that resonates with my soul. I'm going to talk about that, and I'm also just going to talk about how to stay motivated as a 43-year-old designer who's been doing this for almost 20 years. The tricks, how do I inspire myself, the crafts I pick up, like what do I identify with like what I can and can't do anymore, and how to supplement that with new hobbies and to keep learning. Learning is everything, and so I talk a lot about that and show work, but not in its entirety, but just kind of snippets of work, and talk about the why and the how behind it, and also critique it. I want to, I don't really like anything I do, actually. There's only a couple things that I've ever made that are great: Mandingo and Monksterbait. So those are really the only two things I've ever really liked.
What do you think about Pure Imagination?
Oh, Pure Imagination, I have a little beef with Pure Imagination. Made a fucking $1.5 million Audi commercial, and they scored it to Pure Imagination. I was kind of upset about that. But imagination is pure. It's fucking pure.
Tell us a favorite memory of past FITC events.
Oh man, one time we smoked a giant joint made from paper from the Bible, our hotel Bible. We rolled a joint in the Bible, and it set on fire, and it was a really, really dramatic flame, and it was really dramatic and incredible.
Flame from God?
There's a flame from God. Yeah, that's what we said. It was a flame from God, and it was really dramatic and kind of amazing. So don't do that at home, kids. Don't roll a spliff with a page from the Bible. Just seeing speakers, man. Seeing Kaczynski speak at FITC was a highlight. Meeting him on a panel, which led to a gig doing all the holograms with Tron Legacy. It all happened from FITC. Meeting him on a panel, seeing him speak, and getting that opportunity to network and meet really other high-end creatives in the industry. That's kind of what it's about: meeting new people, meeting new friends, sharing a drink, telling stories, just having some fun.